Say goodbye to old skin. Get a new beautiful skin. The results will amaze you. You have a smooth, uniform skin, more youthful skin, more supple skin. Your skin will look plumper. This treatment gets rid of saggy skin. You have to continue washing. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're so welcome. I use natural ingredients on this channel a lot, using it to take care of your skin, to ensure your skin is looking the best. Uniform, glowing skin. You can go out with no makeup and you see your skin looking so beautiful. So the purpose of this treatment is to make sure it gets rid of old skin, wrinkles, fine lines, lifting sagginess, and make sure you're looking more youthful than your age. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love remedies, natural remedies like this. Also turn on the bell, give this video a like, share it as well. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because there is a very important information in the end that you need to know. So I made this of some few ingredients you can find at home, mostly in the kitchen, to make sure it returns your age backward, making you to obtain a more youthful skin. So here we have green tea. Green tea is a very powerful antioxidant, not only for the health benefits. Green tea helps greatly to slow down aging process. It contains vitamin B2 and many other antioxidants like many that helps to prevent premature aging, helping to slow down aging process, making your skin to look more plumper, like making your skin to glow and look more tighter. So you have to use this the way I'm going to show you for effective result. So here is also another ingredient I added in here that you will love. I use rice powder, and rice powder is a very powerful ingredient, a secret to a more firmer skin, for a more tighter skin. Applying it on your skin, your face, your body will help greatly to get rid of blemishes. It helps to tighten the skin, lifting the skin to get rid of sagginess. Rice helps to get rid of scars, blemishes, pigmentations like I just listed, and the most important, helps to firm your skin to make you look more youthful. So I love rice powder not only for the anti-aging benefits, also helps to get rid of dead skin cells and give you a more uniform skin, a more clearer skin. Like the result will give you a beautiful, neat, clearer skin. You love it. So the next ingredient you have to make sure you get is honey. My honey is almost finished, and that is because the ones I've been seeing are not original. So try to get original ones. So I'm going to try to get my honey if I can find the original, because I love everything original, so that you can get good results. So honey is a perfect humectant, a natural humectant that helps to draw moisture from the hair, preventing skin dryness, making sure your skin is supple, glowing, and beautiful. Honey also helps to delay fine lines, wrinkles, and just making sure your skin is looking more youthful than your age. So try to get honey, rice powder, and also green tea. So the next one, yes, is turmeric powder. So turmeric is optional anyway, but it helps. Like those that have dull skin, turmeric will help to brighten it. Those that want to correct some blemishes, pigmentations, try to get turmeric. Turmeric mask is wonderful. Like adding it in this treatment will help to get a clearer, beautiful skin. You love it. Also, turmeric also had like a very good glow to the skin. The result is amazing, just amazing. So just 4 ingredients is all you need. Like you can still add some few drops of oil. Just continue washing. I will tell you a very good oil that you can add, so that it can help greatly to enable a good result. And also for those that have dry skin, adding oil in this treatment will help. Honey is very good for all skin types, but addition of oil is for those that have severe dry skin, like your skin is so dry. You will surely need to add few drops of oil. So here are the measurements. I added 1 tablespoon of rice powder, and I removed the tea from the tea bag. Like this is how to use it. So there are 2 ways to make use of this, to extract the tea from this, is to transfer it into hot water, like the way you make your tea, of course, so that the tea in this tea bag will be able to infuse out. You know, the color change will be like dark brown. Then transfer the water, about 2 tablespoons, into this treatment. But what I did, like what I always love doing, is to empty the contents. I don't want it in hot water. I just love it pure, everything directly into the bowl. Just pour everything in here. Only 1 tea bag is all you need. Then I added 1 tablespoon of my honey. Yes. Then I added just a pinch of turmeric. If you want to brighten more, like your body is lighter than your face is darker than your body, you want to make it uniform, just add more of turmeric to brighten your skin. So it's time to mix together. If your treatment is watery, you have to add more rice powder. If your treatment is thick, please add additional honey to make it in a smooth paste. Or if you have rose water, you can add it. Like I always say, rose water is very good for the skin. It's not like ordinary water, okay? It has great benefits to the skin. So just mix together until the treatment is uniform. Then you wash your skin, remove all makeup. Like now, I don't have makeup on my skin. Like my skin is just plain, purely natural. There are no makeups or this. Okay, so try to watch other videos for you that are new, so that you will know some very good treatments that will help care for your skin naturally without any side effects. Like these treatments, they work. All you have to do is just to ensure you get natural ingredients, original ones, so that you will not regret. I'll just apply it on a washed skin. As you apply, you have to scrub gently. So this treatment is very exfoliating. As you can see, I added turmeric, but just a little. If your face is fine, you don't have blemishes, you don't want to brighten it, you can decide to just keep turmeric. Just leave turmeric. It's not a must, but I love it a lot. Like I can't do without turmeric. It gives my skin a beautiful glow. Not only other ingredients, like it gives me a natural brighter skin. So you can still scrub your lip to get rid of dead skin cells. You know, some people, they have old skin seated on the surface of their lip, so scrubbing it will help. And this treatment is very exfoliating. Scrubbing your skin gently will help to get rid of old skin, dead skin cells, and also firming the skin. This treatment is very firming. Make sure you don't add water. Make honey your water, please. In place of water, use honey. You see your skin so beautiful, and your lip will look so soft, so beautiful, clean, clear, like any good thing you can call it. Okay, it's very important to take care of your skin. I'm not adding it here because this area and here under your eye, like around your eyes, is very delicate. There are sensitive parts. This treatment is very exfoliating, and the particles may not be good around there. If you want to apply, just dab a little, like apply little by little, but do not scrub that area. Okay, so you see why I said you should continue watching to the end, because you learn a lot, not only for my products, not only for this remedy, for other things you are going to be doing after now. You will never lose from watching my videos. Okay, so apply anywhere you want to apply, on your neck, all over your body, and allow this treatment to sit for about 10-15 minutes. So for me, I normally apply it and leave it on for 20 minutes or above. After that, you notice that your skin will feel tighter and look firmer. So I'm going to leave it on for some time, rinse it out. I'll be right back. So after rinsing it out, you will notice that your face will get clearer, like very neat and clearer and beautiful and glowing, and that is what you notice instantly. But with consistency, you will see that your skin will be looking more youthful. You will notice that those fine lines, wrinkles will be diminishing. Like this treatment is anti-stress. It's something that gets rid of bloating, under eye circle, eye bags, anything stress. Some fine lines are as a result of stress. Like some people, they don't take care of their skin at the end of a stressful day. You using some important ingredients like this that will help to target and get rid of them is very important. So try to use this treatment 3 times weekly, or you can just use it every day if you want, but 3 times weekly is the perfect way to make use of it. So make use of this treatment as I stated, and you love your skin. You see your skin transforming back to normal. Old skin will be bygone. Goodbye to old skin. Welcome new skin. So I have some good products for you if you want. Like, this is not a body cream, it's not a body soap, just a facial care. It's just a face scrub, like a face mask that's used to take care of the foundation. After this, before you use skincare products, we have skincare products, very good one, that after making use of this, you can just use it as a moisturizer to repair your skin further. Like, of course, you need to apply lotions, you need to use cleansers, you need to use some skin products to make your skin to continue to glow and looking so well nourished and beautiful. And all these products I'm displaying are purely natural, no side effects. You can contact us through that WhatsApp if you need. For all skin types and complexion, we also have skin firming products from face to toe. Thank us later. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.